Ever deleted important photos by mistake on your Android phone? Don't worry, there's still a high chance you can get it back in just a few taps. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted photos using Google Photos. So first of all, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Make sure you are using the latest updated version of the app because older versions may not show all recovery options properly. Once you're inside the app, tap on the Collections option. This section contains all your organized albums, folders, and important media tools. Now, scroll through the menu and locate the Trash or Bin, Recycle Bin option. You'll usually find it on the right side within the Collections area. Tap on it to open the Deleted Items folder. Here, you will see all your recently deleted photos and videos. Keep in mind that Google Photos only stores deleted items for up to 30 days before they are permanently removed from the system. Now browse through the deleted items and select one or multiple photos that you want to recover. After selecting them, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Restore option. Once you tap Restore, your selected photos will be instantly recovered and moved back to your main Google Photos library. And that's it. Your deleted photos are now safely restored on your Android device. Just remember, this method only works within the 30-day recovery window. After that, files cannot be recovered. Hope this tutorial is helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.